Hey guys, so today making a video about cardboard thickness test with a BB pump. Okay, it's the Pumpmaster Crosman 760 at 8 pumps. See how many layers of cardboard it can go through. So let's go set it up. About 10 yards. Let's get the BB gun. Right, here's the BB gun. 760 Pumpmaster Classic. Love this thing. Comes sighted in. I've killed lots of sparrows with it. So let's shoot it. Okay guys, I think we have a problem. I think it went through it. Let's see. Um, 8 pumps, it goes through it. All the way through it. Huh. Let's do 2 pumps, like a real BB gun. BB guns at Pumpmaster, 2 pumps equals a real BB gun. Let's see how far. I always used to use BB guns for hunting sparrows. Let's see what actually a BB gun does to a sparrow. I can tell it hit it. Let's see how far it went through. I don't think it went through. Okay guys, it didn't go through. Let's take it apart. Let's see. Take out the old Ozark trail knife. Pop the tape. 2 pumps. What does it do? What does it do? This is gonna be kind of like my BB gun kind of shooting thing, experiment 2, because we didn't do part 2 yet. So, uh-oh. Keep it together. Right here. Okay guys, I see where it went. It goes in, just carefully. It goes, whoa. So there's 4 layers. It went through 2 and was just sitting right there. Right there it was sitting. It goes through 2 layers with a real BB gun. That's pretty cool. I'm gonna also connect me a video of me shooting my 22 yesterday. I thought it was squirrel season. It's not squirrel season. So, hope you liked that part. I know it was only 2 shots, but still pretty cool. And Denton's now gonna come shoot something. Let's see what he has.
Alright, you're going to use this like pump action BB gun and shoot at that, fill up water. So,
At 10 pumps.
yep, it's at 10 pumps. Definitely hit it. Let's see if it went through. Definitely losing water. Not sure where I hit it. But we're losing water. Oh, I hit it right there. And it didn't go through. So the baby's in here somewhere.
Right there it is.
Oh, I see. It's like raining down. So yeah, it won't go through water.